Thanks for watching this video. This video is a short instruction about how to use the LX2 cell realignment machine, and I'm Alex Chu. This machine uses only 9 volts, and it only generates about like 1/10 of a watt, but this machine is extremely powerful. It can realign the cells of your entire body. It can cure lots of mysterious diseases that doctors cannot figure out. Okay, and when you got the machine, it would come in 2 parts: the machine and also the board, the plastic board. You just stick the plastic board to the side of the machine with Velcro tape. You will see it. The Velcro tape is on there. You just stick the plastic board to the side of the machine. That side is where you stand the machine on. Okay, and the front end of the machine has capacitors. As you can see, there's 3 capacitors at the front end of the machine. This is the front end of the machine. The back end has the wire attached to the 9-volt adapter, okay? And you always wear the white immortality rings when you use the machine. For some reason, the white immortality rings is it works better with the machine than the neodymium rings. So wear the white rings, okay? And always eat avocado for lunch. For some reason, avocado boosts the energy of the machine so much. It helps healing so much. I mean, I tried everything I can, but avocado is the best. Okay, now when you want to, well, what you do is you put the machine 30 inches away from the body, with the front end of the machine facing the headboard of your bed. Okay, it doesn't face your body. The front end of the machine faces the headboard of the bed, and then the side of the machine is like 30 inches away from the body, and you just sleep like that for like 30 minutes. Then you will feel the machine is slowly realigning all the damaged cells in your body. You can feel it, it's 30 inches away from body. It could be near the head, or it could be near the stomach, or it could be near your feet, but it's just like 30 inches away, and it was the front end of the machine pointing to the headboard of the bed. Then after you heal like that for 30 minutes, you can bring the machine closer to you, like maybe 10 inches away from your head, okay, near your throat, with the front end of the machine pointing to your head. Okay, front end of the machine pointing to your head, which is the end with the capacitors. This can help you sleep better. This can cure insomnia if you have insomnia. Or it could simply calm you down and you could just fall asleep better, Or if you have like this, it can also cure other diseases. Anyway, in this picture, this is like the machine 30 inches away from your body, okay? For some reason, if you lie like this, you see, if your sleeping position is like this, with your back pointing to the machine, with your back pointing to the machine, for some reason, when you have it like this, the machine starts to cure your asthma. If you have asthma issue, or if you have throat problems and stuff, it starts to cure your asthma. If you just lie flat on the bed, it cures your brain and your eyes. But if you lie like this, it cures your asthma. I mean, we have to do more study on this machine. More people have to submit testimonials. Anyway, you can have the machine, just like what I said, you can have the machine placed near your head, or your belly, or your legs, or even your feet, okay? When the machine is near, whichever part, it heals that certain part, The machine can be pointed, the front end of the machine can point to your body, or it can point to the headboard of your bed, or at the foot of your bed. I mean, it depends, But you have to read the instruction for, professional detail. And in this picture, it shows you the right way and the wrong way, okay? See at the top, the front end of the machine points to your body. That's the right way. And then in the center, the front end of the machine does not really point to the body. It points to the headboard, or either point to the foot of your bed. That's the right way. The wrong way is it's like the machine is tilted 45 degrees. Okay, you don't do that. That's the wrong way. But anyway, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed.